Hello Cancer, Namaste. My name is Reema and welcome to Soul Kundalini. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It really encourages me to make more videos. And to those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So Cancer, this could be your sun, moon or rising sign. Please keep in mind that these are general readings, so only and only follow the guidance which resonates with your mind, body and soul. I am going to start with your overall energy card, and it is the beautiful 10 of Summers. So with the 10 of Summers, I just want to say that contentment is coming into your life. There is some sort of harmony, true love, or you can say abundance is coming into your life. You may in your love life meet a soulmate. You may find some commitment when it comes to romantic relationships. It could be that you attend a lot of social events with family. A very happy, secure and emotionally fulfilled time is coming up ahead for you. So a sense of wholeness is what you've been wanting. A sense of completion is what you require at this time, and this is what you need, and this is what you've been desiring, and this is what you're going to get. Because this is a card of happiness, it's a card of family, it's a card of love, it's a card of emotionally you feeling very secure and finding alignment in your relationships. So let's see what is coming up in your tarot cards and what is happening. So we have the King of Pentacles. Then we have Justice. There you go. Then we have the Page of Swords. And we have the Ace of Wands. That's beautiful. And then I have these two cards which I'll read at the end. So stay tuned for that. Let me begin with your love life first. So as I see this, I can tell you that whether it's you or you can put this same thing, like if you're listening to this and you want to put the same characteristics to the person you're thinking about or your romantic interest, you can do that. I just want to say in your love life, you seem like a person who's very grounded and very loyal to the person you're with. I see two scenarios, but let me just tell you the first scenario. You're very dependable, you're practical, you're stable emotionally as well. You can be a very good partner with someone. You may not express yourself emotionally as much, but you show your love through actions. And you want stability in your relationship. You want to be very serious with someone. You're a very steady partner for them. And you want fulfillment and success of your desires in your relationship. You like having shared goals with your partner, and once you do fall in love, you stay there. You're not wishy-washy with it. Now the scenarios which I see are two. One is that you were in love with somebody who was younger, not as mature. Like this card says, gossip. So somebody who's not mature is going to do something like that. They weren't as serious with you as you were. They fell in love with you very quickly, but came out of it very quickly as well. They like exploring new ways of thinking, of, opening up their world. So they don't want to stay with one person for too long. And that is not something which you wanted. Maybe it gave you pain. Now this person is pretty sharp and you were attracted towards their mind as well. This person kind of avoids a lot of talk and confrontation and, wasn't ready for the kind of emotion and emotional maturity that you had for them. So it didn't work out. The second thing is, because of things which have happened in your past, you have become defensive. So this card could be of someone who's become defensive, but they have the qualities of a king when it comes to giving in a relationship. But because of the pain in the past, you are not opening yourself up to new people, you're not being vulnerable, you have these guards around you, and sometimes you become very defensive. And you like the idea right now you're in this zone and these energies of being a loner. And maybe you'll also become paranoid because of what has happened in your past, because this could be a person who becomes paranoid. So I want to say, as a suggestion, if you have your guards up, then it's time to lower them and to have your boundaries, but to give new people a chance. You don't know what's going to happen. Past is the past. Second thing, if you're keeping a check on social media or through any means on your ex or someone you've dated before, please stop doing that. It's not bringing you happiness. It's not bringing you any sort of growth in life. You're basically going backwards. I think you want to have a balance in relationship. Like I said, you're this person who likes things in a very secure and stable way. Like, a very beautiful, well-balanced, grounded relationship. Now with this card, I know you want a balanced relationship. You have given it your all before. You have given enough love before, but you haven't received that back, and you think universe is unfair to you. And you sometimes fight with whatever universal energy you believe in, whether you fight with your God you believe in, or whoever you think. You say, why is this happening to me? But I just want to say with this card that justice will be served. The imbalances will be corrected. And I also see that a spark of some beautiful attraction is coming towards you. Someone you will meet suddenly. There will be optimism in your heart. There's going to be a beginning in love. It'll be passionate encounter with them. There'll be a lot of excitement. But you need to bring courage from within in your love life to pursue something new. And this is a seed which you will sow, which will grow into something more substantial. So stick with it. Leave your past. Now I'm going to talk about work. When we talk about work, again, you have the capabilities of becoming a king. You have the capabilities of reaching the heights of whatever your goals are, whatever success that you want, you can reach the heights of it. You can make the money which you think you want to, whatever your desires are going to be fulfilled. The only thing which is recommended to you right now is to reach there. You have to become a great researcher, a great learner. Maybe you need to go for trainings. Maybe you need to create something new. For all of that, you need to be, like, they say a spy or a journalist who has this really beautiful insight, and they're very sharp. They have laser focus, and they want to get to the bottom of everything. If you think about a journalist, you have to get to the bottom of whatever you're working on and build it up from there. You should work on everything step by step, and you should learn on the side to build your kingdom. Again, a balance is required. You cannot just think that you have the skills and you don't need them anymore. You have to build on your skills at this time to become very successful at work. So you have to have a balance of passion, of optimism, of the skills you already have, of the skills you will learn to create something which will stay with you, which will stay with the next generations in your family. Again, there is optimism, there is growth in the kind of work that you're getting into. It could be something new that you're getting into, because ace is always a card in which you are, again, like I said, you sow something and you watch it grow into something more substantial. This is a card where you're going to develop your own vision. And this vision is going to become highly successful only if you can stay in learning mode all your life. I think that they've been saying that study, grow, be in training mode. Even if you become the king, you should always become that humble student who has the skills but is willing to learn more. Because this is the ultimate reward for you, the 10 of Summers, where you have emotionally and physically, mentally, spiritually, financially, you feel completely satisfied with the things happening in your life. So that's beautiful, Cancer. I am going to read the next card for you, and it says trust. I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. So if you're doubting the universe, if you're doubting yourself, the universe wants you to stop doing that because there is a lot happening in your life. These energies are beautiful. The only person who can bring themselves down is you. So focus on being optimistic, focus on good energies, focus on the fact that you have amazing skills, you have amazing love to give, and you have so much, your heart is open. And know that these things are going to happen with you. Justice will prevail. The angel which is blessing you is Radha. She is a goddess in India. Soul flame. Rediscover a part of yourself. Experience relationship harmony and healing. So if you've, like I said, gone through some relationship issues, now is the time that you're going to heal. There is a blessing from your angel. This is going to happen for you. But you also have to rediscover the past. You also have to rediscover the part which you have lost within yourself. You were someone before this trauma, before the pain, and you have to go back to being that person, the open-hearted, loving person that you were. Thank you so much, Cancer, for watching my channel. I send you lots of healing and loving vibes. Don't forget to subscribe. I have some chakra healing meditation on my channel, so please go through the videos for that. I also come live on my channel for yes or no card reading. So keep your notifications on as there is no set time or date for it. Thank you so much and see you soon.